Welcome to my video lecture of MinStack. Now you are learning Angular. So in the previous video you have learned what is the different component, different codes, how an Angular website work, and we have already changed our code. Now you will learn what is Angular component. So if you tell Angular component as a page, it is totally wrong, because a page contain one component or many component, that is up to you. So what is component? Component is a small building block of Angular. Like this is a page. In this page, this is Angular official website page. So in this page there is a header, there is a body, and there is a footer also. So if you see the building, I will make a runtime website in front of you, and then I will tell you how this component is built. But now you will just learn that this header is a component. The HTML code of the header is written is a component. The HTML code of this one, this is written in branding component, that is another component, and the footer is another component. You can use a component multiple times. Suppose I am using this header component in this page. It doesn't mean that I cannot use header component in another page. Header, you see in this in the website that header is always used in any website page, any of the website page. If you go to the Flipkart website page, you will see always there is a header. If you go to the Facebook website page, if you are in notification page, the header page is always there. From where you go to the news feed or message or notification or your profile, there are many pages. So there will always be header component. It doesn't matter that wherever page you are surfing. So there will always be header component. You can use component for multiple times. Same is applicable for branding component and footer component. If you want, you use the branding component in multiple pages. If you want, you can use footer component in multiple pages. That is the that is the motto, or that is the fundamental theory of component. Component is small building block. That doesn't mean a page. It can be used in page, and using these small building blocks and adding this will make pages and a big responsive website. So that's it for now. That is the component, what it is, and I will explain in the next video how to create component and how to use that. So now, bye.